Hi there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and this is my beautiful wallpaper from Guvana.
My favorite part of this wallpaper is, of course, the beautiful painted floral design that it has. I absolutely love it. It combines so well with a lot of different colors, and it's not thin. It's not like contact paper. This is nice, thick, heavy wallpaper, and it also has this beautiful print quality, so it's nice and clear. It's also easy to trim the edges. As you can see, you can use scissors or an X-Acto knife. So you should use this on smooth or very lightly textured walls like mine. They aren't too textured, so this sticks really well. You can still see a little bit of texture coming through, but doesn't bother me at all. It looks really nice and high quality. So a few tips for installation: definitely line up your design first and then use a shower squeegee to really stick it to the wall. I also overlapped the tiniest bit since paper wallpaper tends to shrink over time, so I can avoid any gaps. It is still looking so good. So no tears, no bubbles, no peeling off of the wall. So for the quality and the colors and the design, I definitely think this is at such a bargain price, and this wallpaper was definitely made to last.
I absolutely love how my office looks now with this gorgeous wallpaper, and it was so easy to put up. So I highly recommend it. I think it's going to light up any room you put it in, but that's just my point of view.